بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الآن أيها الإخوة والأخوات نحيي ضيفنا الكبير الشيخ أحمد ديدات.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه آيات من ربه قل إنما الآيات عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين أولم يكفهم أنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب يتلى عليهم إن في ذلك لرحمة وذكرى لقوم يؤمنون صدق الله العظيم. Mr. Chairman and my dear brothers and sisters, the subject is Al-Quran, a miracle of miracles. I have read to you a verse from the Holy Quran. As we proceed, I will explain the verse and what Allah Bari Ta'ala says about this subject of miracles. But let me explain to you what a miracle is. What is a miracle? A mu'jiza. A miracle is an impossibility, something beyond human endeavor, human effort. For example, one of us, while this meeting is carrying on, he falls unconscious and he expires. A doctor is called up and the doctor certifies that the person is dead. Another doctor is brought forward to give his opinion and he also certifies that the man is dead. Take the body away, prepare for burial. But there comes along a man of God, sees this dead person, dead body, and he says, he commands, Kum bi-iznillah, wake up, get up in the name of Allah, and the person gets up, alive and well. We say it's a miracle because it was an impossibility certified by two doctors and yet the person has come back to life. Miracle. But suppose the man was dead for 3 days, put in a mortuary, in a morgue, and after 3 days somebody comes along, the man is gone as hard as rock, and he shouts at the corpse, Kum bi-iznillah, arise in the name of Allah, and the man comes back from the dead, from the mortuary, from the morgue. We say that is a greater miracle because it's a greater impossibility. But after the person is dead and buried, his bones have rotted in the grave, and somebody cries, Kum bi-iznillah, and the person gets out of the grave, alive, breathing, well, we say that is still a greater miracle. So greater the impossibility, the greater the miracle. I hope this definition, is simple enough for everybody to grasp. Now in that sense, the Quran is a miracle of eloquence. In the first instance, you see, nations before Islam were sent prophets. And mankind had a tendency to demand proof by some supernatural acts. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, the holy prophet Moses, he was given a type of miracle which was akin to magic. He was among the magicians in Egypt. So he had to contend with these magicians, and Allah gave him a miracle to confound these magicians. Fir'aun, thinking that Musa alayhi salam was another magician, he brought forth his own magicians to play the part. And the magicians, the Egyptian magicians, they had little magic sticks, magic wands, and they threw them on the ground. And all these little sticks became little snakes, serpents. Allah Bari Ta'ala had already given Hazrat Musa alayhi salam an experience